Okay, new video. Today's video we're going to talk a bit about the energetic and physical body overlap. I think it was in the previous video it was very scattered and a little bit wishy-washy. In this video we're going to clean up a little bit of what I'm talking about and prove I'm not crazy. Energetic and physical body overlap. The energetic body, we're going to little recap. The energetic body is a subtle field of life force energy that surrounds and flows throughout the physical body. This is exactly what I was saying previously when I talk about grounding the energy. This energy life force is very much so I said this before, it's responsible for altering our states of consciousness. It interacts with the body by influencing physiological processes, emotions and overall well-being. When it's disrupted or stagnant, it can be contributed to stress or illness. This is what I'm talking about. It's that life force. Many would say it's how we interpret emotions on a I don't want to say like spiritual level, but it's like, again, this stuff isn't really this is not stuff that the doctor will ever tell you about or talk about ever. We're going to go on to the next slide because I can tell I'm rambling. The nervous system. This is core. This is like, oh my god, this is everything. So get this. The nervous system controls communication between the brain and the body. It processes sensory input, coordinates movement and regulates internal functions like heartbeat and digestion. It also plays a key role in emotions, memory and stress responses. Through electrical signs, it helps the body react quickly and stay balanced. This is, that's the nervous system. I think I'm gonna go to the next slide, but if this doesn't, I'm just hoping I made this PowerPoint a minute ago, and again, a little help from ChatGPT, so whatever, we'll keep going, but I can't quite remember how this goes. Okay, don't worry, we're fine. The vagus nerve. Vagus nerve, massive. The vagus nerve is like a key nerve. It's actually, if we're going to be technical, it's really two parts to a nerve, but it's kind of seen as a one-part nerve. The vagus nerve is the longest cranial nerve and a major role of the parasympathetic nervous system. It helps regulate heart rate, digestion, breathing and inflammation. It also plays a major role in calming the body after stress and supporting emotional regulation. The vagus nerve connects the brain to the major organs, acting as a communication highway between the mind and body. This is a very important and well-connected nerve within our nervous system, and this plays a major role in this. We're going to get into why. The energetic and physical overlap. This is, I said that the nervous system stuff is gold. This is like what you have to understand. This is this is where all your problems lie, really. You got to understand this stuff so that you can heal properly. So, energetic and physical overlap. While the overlap between the energetic and physical body remains somewhat vague, both Western science and Eastern philosophy acknowledge the importance of the synchronicity between these systems, particularly in relation to the vagus nerve. Very true. I'm not going to... It's not necessarily without the vagus nerve you have no energetic body, or without the that's this is where it's kind of slightly the overall understanding is like vague, and once again it's because it's something that's very hard to prove. Though once you start kind of tapping into this stuff yourself and like recognizing it within yourself, you can listen to some schmuck on the internet talk and ramble into a camera about what this stuff means, until you feel it, until you like really connect with it, and you recognize within you how this stuff impacts you, and like you literally feel it. I mean, I'll talk about it a little bit later, but basic understanding, we're gonna keep reading, I keep interrupting myself, but where nervous system problems occur is often where energetic imbalances arise, and vice versa. They're very intertwined. Like I said, this thing about like you having the chakras, and I've already said that I'm not the biggest fan necessarily of speaking about chakras, because it's a bit kind of like, if people start talking about the third eye, people start saying you're crazy. These kind of energetic points are wildly, and you can't really see because my face is in the way, this diagram, but they're very intertwined with the vagus nerve, and all their connections. They're very, I've heard it been said before that kind of the energetic body is almost a USB port to the nervous system, and you kind of think like, what the hell does that mean? Well, it means that they're very intertwined, they're very interconnected, this is like at the core foundations of it. Everything that you have to understand. I mean, like that. It's really what I said it before, and I'll say it again. Your problems have arisen because your energetic body is out of alignment from your physical body. And a major point of, I suppose, connection from that kind of line of disconnect is within the nervous system. It's major. It means a lot. Anyways, overall keeping balance is essential to healing and restoring positive overlap from both sides, physical and energetic. That's like ChatGPT really kind of hit the nail on the head with that one. What I mean by restoring balance is, I mean restoring the balance across your whole body, the energetic balance across your body, and that's like, that's how we heal. I've said that before. But they really need to be in synchronicity. That's why you get these, like some people though, I know I had it where you kind of like, I'll be sitting down and all of a sudden my muscles would, and they just start spasming out of control like crazy. And it's much of that's to do with this stuff, I don't also understand that. I never understood why in the communities people would say like your brain fried, but also simultaneously is like the fact that something wrong in your brain is also causing physical symptoms. Like I said, muscle spasms are a big thing. Just like your nerves feel weird. I've heard people also say that they fried their nerves. They fried them. The word fried gets tossed around a lot in these like BS forums, but I'm rambling again. Anyways, read up on this if what I'm saying makes no sense and you want a better understanding. But I feel like ChatGPT did alright on this one. Is that it? Is that it? Is that the end of that? Hang on a sec. We're going to pause the video and Okay, so yeah, apparently that was actually the end of the video. That's really it for the for this one. I kind of said what I needed to say. It's major. It really is. It's yeah, this stuff is very, very like I cannot emphasize the point that you have to understand this. And it's like, and again, I said this before. Once you start to heal, and you start to feel these energetic shifts within your body, and this is something that like people do like chakra meditations or whatever stuff like that, like stable-minded people who don't have HPPD, and they'll feel this stuff. But once you really start to feel that, like, energy going from your head and life force returning to your body, that's when you'll go, okay, this guy's not crazy, and this makes sense. And alongside the decrease in the energy coming back, you will followed by that, you'll see a decrease in your symptoms, and from that it's just a matter of repeating the exercises in order to heal, and just keep on making those small little steps, and yeah, you'll be out of this. I'm going to make another video though. Right now I'm going to post another video, so hopefully by the time this video is out, there'll also be another video detailing a little bit more about the vagus nerve. I thought this PowerPoint was longer than it is, but that's because there's part 2 to that. So yeah, take care of your nervous systems, and there's not too much more to be said. That's the end for this one.